In today's video, we're diving into the 5 best UV printing machines on the market. This list is based on our personal opinions and considers factors like ratings, reviews, orders, price, quality, durability, and more. For prices and additional details about the products featured, make sure to check out the description below. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss our latest product review videos. Alright, let's jump into today's video. Number 5. Jetfiner A5 UV Printing Machine. The Jetfiner A5 UV printing machine is a compact, high-performance commercial printer originating from China. It boasts a robust build, high-resolution printing capabilities, and a 28 ppm print speed. The machine uses CMYK colors and supports a 120-210mm printing size, making it suitable for mobile phone printing. It supports wired and wireless network printing and can be accessed via USB. The machine is certified by C&ROWS, meeting safety and environmental standards. It comes with 3 guarantees for after-sale support. The machine's voltage range of 100 to 240 V makes it compatible with various power supplies, making it a cost-effective choice for commercial printing needs. Number 4. EraSmart ERAA5-20 UV Printing Machine. The EraSmart ERAA5-20 UV Printing Machine is a compact yet powerful device designed for commercial use. It offers high-quality printing with a print resolution of 2880 x 1440 pi, efficient printing speeds of 30 to 180 seconds, and a print speed of 4 pages per minute (ppm). The printer is specifically designed for A5 and A3 printing, with a maximum print size of 120-210mm, making it ideal for printing on phone cases. It is certified with C, ensuring high safety and performance standards. The printer is convenient and user-friendly with an auto paper feed mode and a USB interface type for easy connectivity to various devices. It also excels in single-sided printing with inkjet technology, ensuring top-notch results for commercial applications. The EraSmart ERAA5-20 is a reliable and certified option for businesses looking to invest in a UV printer. Number 3. MaxWave A5 UV Printing Machine. The MaxWave A5 UV Printing Machine is a versatile tool for commercial manufacturing, particularly for custom printing, especially in phone case customization. It offers customizable features, allowing users to customize the machine to their specific needs. The machine has a print size of 120-170mm, adjustable print height of 0 to 15mm, and CMYK plus WW ink configuration for vibrant color reproduction. It is specifically designed for phone case printing, delivering exceptional results with intricate designs and vibrant colors. With an impressive print accuracy of 1440 pi, the MaxWave A5 is a go-to choice for custom phone accessory businesses. Made in mainland China, the MaxWave A5 reflects high standards of Chinese engineering and manufacturing prowess. Number 2. Viver A4 UV Printing Machine. The Viver A4 UV Printing Machine is a versatile and efficient commercial printer with impressive features such as a 40 ppm print speed, double-sided printing, wired network printing, automatic and manual paper feed modes, a maximum paper size of A3, USB interface, C certification, and a continuous supply of 6 colors and inkjet technology. It supports wired network printing, allowing seamless integration into office networks, and can handle large batches of documents or specific custom jobs. The printer's 120mm printing height expands its functionality beyond traditional paper printing. Designed for commercial use, it delivers exceptional results for marketing materials, official documents, and creative projects. Number 1. FGHGF A3 UV Printing Machine. The FGHGF A3 UV Printing Machine is a top-of-the-line commercial printer that delivers high-quality prints with precision and efficiency. Its max resolution of 57-61,440 pi ensures sharp, clear images and intricate designs. The printer also offers an efficient print speed of 158 seconds per A4 image, equivalent to 8 pages per minute. The A3 size capability allows for larger documents and images without compromising quality. The auto paper feed mode and USB interface make it easy to connect to various devices. The advanced ink system uses UV curing ink, known for its durability and vibrant colors. The printer supports network printing, allowing easy sharing and connectivity in a networked office environment. The printer is built to last with C&ROWS certifications and comes with 3 guarantees for after-sale support. Additional features include a 100 to 240 V voltage, separate toner consumable type, a print head specifically designed for Epson 805 lira, and an efficient humidity range of 20%-80%. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel to get the latest product reviews video from the channel.